Oh yeah, look at that. Went right up the side.
Well, as you can see, after the lightning strike, tree never recovered. And it's interesting too that the lightning, when it hit in, it's almost like a square. Hi folks, this is John from Stonehouse Homestead, and this is part 2 of the death of our poor pine tree. Back in February we had a really bad ice storm, and as you can see here, we lost a big limb. It was sad, but it was actually fortunate because it exposed on how really bad the scar from the lightning strike years earlier had become. It never really healed over, and animals started pecking away at it. So here's the rest of the story.
Looks like the brunt of it probably hit the fence. Looks like it came from up in there. I don't know if you can see it or not.
Oh, that is a huge limb. Wow.
Right up there.
Yep. Well, it took down another limb coming down. Tomorrow, it's gone. Over here, Tobin. You can see how big this truck is. Sit. Tobin, sit. Good boy. That's a good pup. Oh. Hi, buddy. There goes the rabbits. Well, as you can see, after the lightning strike, tree never recovered. At the real top, there it is, like a maybe a woodpecker or something got into it. But can't see it. Maybe tomorrow morning. So it's a good 5 feet, maybe not, maybe 4 feet in diameter. Hi. So now I gotta get all these stones out of here, move everything away. Sad day. We tried to save it. Over the years we've First time we had it trimmed back, oh, it was somewhere around 2-3 grand. And this is going to be another 3 grand. So 6 grand in this tree. So, oh well. And it's interesting too that the lightning, when it hit in, it's almost like a square.